Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my March IPSY bag. I was pretty excited because of the bag. You could actually color it because they were going to send you markers, so I was like really excited about that. So if you guys haven't seen none of my IPSY videos, I take out each product one by one, and if I can, I apply it to my face. But since I already have a makeup on, I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm just going to talk about the product itself. And yeah. Okay, so first I always start off by showing you guys the bag. And this is what the bag looks like. It is really, really cute. And then it did come with markers so you can color it. So they sent me two. A blue one and a green one, which I am going to color it just because I love coloring. So I'm going to pull out each product one by one and then show you guys what it is. And then I also read about it on the website just to see what it's about and all of that. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of the bag is this Hikari, I think that's how you say the brand, cream pigment, which is, I'm guessing, kind of like an eyeshadow but it's cream. So this is what the packaging looks like, well, of this one. And then when you open it up, and then this is what the actual inside looks like. Hoping it doesn't fall out. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So that is pretty. Whoa, look at that pigment. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Just gonna go ahead and, oh my god, that is so freaking pretty. I'm actually excited to try this on my lid, girl. I swatched and I still have all that left on my fingers still. The creamy texture is super blendable, pigmented, and stays put all day. Ours lasted from morning meetings to post work to a dinner date. Shine, which one's that? Oh, I didn't say this was in the shade. Oh, this one's in the shade Shine. Sorry about that. Shine is a glitzy gold that was all over the runways at Fashion Week. It's just begging to be worn all spring long. Next thing I'm gonna pull out is from City Color, and this is their Glow Duo Cream and Powder Highlights. And this one, so it comes with a cream highlight and a powder highlight. It doesn't say the shade or anything, but so this is the cream one and this is the powder one. So I'm guessing you put the cream one first and then you put the powder one on top. So I'm just going to swatch the first one. That's not really pigmented. Oh wait, you have to. That is the swatch for that one. It looks like a really subtle highlighter, but it's still really, really pretty. And now I'm going to swatch the powder. Oh, that is really pretty. Oh, that is really, really pretty. That is a really, really pretty shade. I actually want to use that one as a highlighter, but I think I'm also going to use it as a eyeshadow just because it is really, really pretty. It's great when you need to glow up on the go. One pan holds a creamy highlighter and the other a powder highlighter. You can use them alone or together for an even more intense result. The shimmer on these guys, you go whoa, and they're very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. The formula are smooth and blendable. So they don't look cakey when you layer them on top. We will see when I try it. We will see. The next thing I'm going to pull out is a foaming cleanser by Jasmine Waterfall. I think that's how you say it. Yeah. this one right here. I've never tried a foaming cleanser before, so this is actually pretty exciting. Just going. So this is what it looks like. Doesn't smell like anything. This reminds me of the Skin Food Egg Cleanser. I think that's how you say it. IPSY also sent me that one, and I actually like this, so I actually bought the full size one, and I love that thing. So I might like this one too. A daily foam cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without over drying. Okay. We love a good foaming cleanser. How fun are they to use? And this one doesn't disappoint. It removed almost all of our makeup easily, even long wearing lipstick, and our skin felt so fresh after. The formula exfoliates without stripping away natural oils, keeping your pores squeaky clean and your skin hydrated. Hipsters with sensitive skin, you'll love it too.
It's dermatologist.
Tested, non-drying, and gentle on your skin. Okay. I might use it later to remove this makeup. The next thing I'm going to pull out is a sample size of Tarte's Sex Kitten eyeliner, which I actually already have this one, and I really love it. And I think this sample is really cute. Just pull it out, and this is the sample right here, and I have the full size already. I'm almost out of it too, so thank you. This inky black creamy pencil is our go-to for tight lining, feline flicks, and more. Meow. Even laugh so hard you cry, us too. It's totally waterproof, so you can have an LOL fest without smudging your eye look. It glides on ever so smoothly and effortlessly with no tugging or pulling. Pinky swear. And that is actually true. I love it because it stays on all day and it doesn't smudge like other ones, and it is really easy to apply. And what I also like about it is that when I use it to tie line, I only have to go in like 2 swipes and it's like done. It's like really easy. I love the eyeliner. So the last thing in my IPSY bag is a brush, and this one is from AZEREDO Cosmetics, and this one is their large shadow brush, which I love when IPSY sends me brushes. It's like one of the best things. It is pretty big, and it is really soft. I've never tried brushes from AZEREDO Cosmetics. I do like the eyeliner. It's like one of my favorite ones, so I'm excited to try this brush out. This super fluffy brush has a wide bristle head that packs on and blends shadows like a boss. It doesn't play faves. This brush works like a magic in all your powders, cream, and liquid formulas. Have a brush with kindness. The bristles on this baby are totally synthetic and cruelty free. Well, that is everything that came in my bag. I actually like the products that came in my bag. I love trying new things, so that's what I like about IPSY, that they sends me products and sometimes brands that I have never used. So yeah, that's why I love IPSY, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.